you found a secret world!
I'll never stop exploring with you.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to create animated 3D videos like this using Grok AI, and it's completely free. Yes, you heard me right. It is totally free. I know Grok AI stopped working a few weeks back, and a lot of creators have been wondering how they can access Grok for free. Let me show you a tool that would help you generate high quality videos, animated 3D cartoon like this. Go to your Play Store or App Store and search for GenV. Type GenV and hit the search button. You're going to see this particular app here. Go ahead and install it to your mobile phone. Once you install it, click open and it takes you directly to the app's interface. So this is the app, and this is where we're going to be creating magic. So go ahead and accept the terms and conditions, and it brings you to this workspace. So you see the first frame says frame to frame. It shows what you can create on this tool. You have text and image to video as well. So click on continue and it brings you to this workspace, and this is where we're going to be generating our video. So you can see here it says create stunning videos with AI in seconds. Scroll to the bottom and click on XAI Grok. Now this is the space where we're going to be creating our work. Here you can see to use this free plan you have 6 seconds of video generation. If you click on the 10 seconds video generation, it means you're upgrading to the pro plan. And then you have 9:16 aspect ratio for your short form video and 16:9 aspect ratio for your long form video on YouTube. You would also see video resolution of 480p and 720p, and in my case I'm going to be using the 720p, which is the HD version, to create. If you click on the XAI Grok drop down, you will see several other options like Google Video 3 Fast, Google Video 3.1, but in this case we're going to be sticking with our Grok AI, and then I'll make my video setup, which is 6 seconds, 16:9 aspect ratio, and the 720p resolution. Now we're going to create our video. Go ahead and click on this photo icon at the bottom. Here you'd see that you can upload up to 3 images at once on this particular tool. So we'll click on the first upload and upload our photo, selecting directly from our photo library. Once our photo is uploaded here, as you can see, go ahead and paste your prompt. Once you paste your prompt, click the create button and the video will start generating in a few seconds. So let's see what we created using this tool. Now this looks really good. It's exactly Grok AI. It's giving top tier, top quality, the same results you get from your XAI Grok app. So now we're going to create our second video. So click on the icon, upload your image. Now I'm going to head over to Chatgpt to copy the prompt for the second video. Once I do that, I'll come back to this tool, paste my prompt in the description, hit the create button, and the second scene of my video will generate. Remember, every generation on the free plan is 6 seconds long, so you can use this tool for free to create as many videos as possible. So let's see what we created using this tool.
Wow, you found a secret world!
Here's a catch. For you to use this tool, because it is completely free and it is an app that you install directly to your mobile phone, you have to watch some ads. I have to put it there. You have to watch some ads. When you click on the create button, you would see some ads pop up. Those ads will take you like 2 to 3 seconds and you're done with the app. You go ahead and create your video and hit the download button to download straight to your mobile phone. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share this video. Let me know in the comments what you want me to teach next, and also tell me where you're watching from. I'll see you in the next one.